characteristics of sound. Objective: to learn the characteristics of sound. Sound is propagated through a medium by a back and forth vibration of the particles. In air, sound travels in the form of longitudinal waves. Sound waves need a medium to travel, and they cannot pass through vacuum. As the tines of a tuning fork vibrate back and forth, they will disturb the air molecules surrounding them. These disturbances are passed on to adjacent air molecules. The continuous vibration of the tines create a series of compressions and rarefactions.